What's up, gang? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My son going to prom, and this is the setup before.
Alright, Judy, how you feel about your brother going to prom today?
Very proud of him. He's grown into a fine young man. He's going to take on the world. Very proud. Very, very proud brother today.
Alright, y'all, a little background. Some of the balloons then. Y'all, it was a little windy. I almost started raining, so y'all, things started popping. Somebody bought some poppies, but it is what it is. You know, as black people, we make the best out of everything. So, yeah.
Okay, guys, this is my son. We're in the bathroom. We're getting him ready. He's not finished, but his date is in the room getting ready. So we're just taking y'all along for the ride for the champagne party. Hope y'all enjoy it. Okay, guys, so my son forgot his cologne. So my cousin, he came through and he blessed them with some cologne, and we just going ahead and seeing which one smelled good real quick. The champagne party was cracking. They had a good time. We had a good time. So I'm just taking y'all along for the ride. Hope y'all enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe.
What you say? It looks good. Oh, you like the shoe? Okay.
Is she sweet? Yeah, Auntie, you see what Auntie thinks about this. Whoa. Yeah, look good. That's nice.
Okay.
Take the hat off, boy. You just gotta put that little extra in you.
Yeah. That's the day. That's the day.
No, you want to go out with the
Little dress here and there.
That's the smile you gonna
That's
get.
good to the hat.
No, you're not wearing that.
Oh.
Not right now. You just, I mean, no, not with you. Come on, girl. Come on, baby. Okay. Hey, look. Got my little cousin on the channel. Dadiana, say what's that? In here cooking. Everybody in here. Excuse me, Auntie. Thea. Duty. Jimmy. I'm just. Oh no. Alright, y'all. Let's go ahead, girl. Oh, what do you think you doing? Let me see. I think everybody in the back. I ain't one in the back yet, so. You know, everybody, the band came, got me came from JC. Y'all just showed up from JC. Marley. It's about to be done. What you talking about? I don't know what you're talking about. I didn't do that. Still doing stuff. What happened? Okay, right here, I just step outside real quick. My stepdaughter always on the phone now since she booed up. But yeah, I was just showing y'all everybody inside that came along, and there's people in the back and people ain't showed up yet.
Good job, Kaya. Kaya got out the way. They got my. Got all dirty up. That's so good.
Okay, right here, they still putting together the decorations and still fixing stuff stuff up until the kids come out, trying to set up everything, get everything together. But it turned out nice.
All right, y'all, they about to come out. Everybody doing their thing. They ready to come out. So. Wait, which way they coming? I don't know. That's what I was about to say. What do y'all do?
Which way are they gonna walk? They in there?
Money man. You ready to get this ticket ready to go? No, I'm ready to get this. She ready, you ready? Hang it up. Let's go. No? Hold on. You about to have
Where's Tika?
That's crazy. It's crazy. Everybody back here. Wait, which way they coming from? My son in there with the suit on, just waiting, like, when? He like, well, he here, look, he in there dancing, hear the music, like, what's going on? Hold on.
Watch this jump scare, look.
Oh, you trying to scare her? Where you been at, Jayla, man? Don't be acting, where you been at, Jayla, man? The channel, where you been at? You know, we live out here now. Yeah, when you... So you know what that means.
Okay, right here, guys, everybody is coming outside and making their way over here because they're getting ready to come out. We had to actually take the car and turn it around for the lights, for the backdrop, and for the setup because, yes, I forgot the lights in the midst of everything. But everybody outside, everybody waiting, excited. Guys, we end up having a great time, great food, company. You know, we love just vibing with family. That's what we do. I'm proud of my son. He looked very good. You know, he did very good this year. So, you know, what way to crack it off and finish and hit that prom. So, I hope y'all like this video. I know it took me a minute to bring it out, but in the midst of moving and doing everything, I'm kind of slow-mo, so sorry it took so long. See right here, they turning the car around so the lights can be on it, but hope y'all like it.
Make sure you say no copyright.
No copyright. I'm gonna do it. I'll probably.
Drake song. He put it to where you
All right, y'all.
Oh my God!
Okay, watch out. Okay, y'all come over here. Come on. Okay, you hold the gate. Everybody come over here.
What are we doing?
She said, what are we doing? We're waiting on them to come on out together. All right, baby boy going to prom. Looking good. Cue the music.
Okay, now this is in the backyard and they still was putting together the candy table and trying to set it up. I didn't get the end of it because they still was decorating and I was doing so much. But this is just a little setup of how the candy table will look before it got done. And this was the little backdrop in the back that her mom had did. We try to save her. Like I said, it was windy out there. and it almost rained, but everything turned out nice. I'm just mad that I couldn't get the finished picture, but y'all kind of see what's going on a little bit. It did come out good. Everything was good. Her sister made the cakes. Everything tasted good. Everything was good. I just hate that I didn't get the setup part. You see the little ribbon right there. We're supposed to finish and everything, but yeah, this is just a little peek of how the table was supposed to go, but they was in the midst of doing everything. So yeah, just giving y'all a little idea of everything, but everything really turned out nice and they really looked good and everybody really enjoyed themselves and the kids tore that candy up, y'all. Good job. She gotta have the game.
This is how many keeps on taking these things.
Okay. Okay. Ooh. So you can undo your thing. Ooh. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let me go around my son. Big moment. We way in the back. Yeah.
Hey, talk to my mom. You know you really supposed to wait till y'all walk.
Okay, right here, y'all. Everybody's still snapping it up. You know how we can do, us parents and friends and families. We just want pictures, 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 pictures. I know they was getting tired. They was ready to go to prom. They looking like hurry up and take the pictures so we can go. But they didn't mind. They enjoyed the attention. They had a good time. You know how sisters and cousins be doing, trying to fix you up and making sure everything's perfect. But yeah, we still outside, still getting them pictures in, still making sure everything was perfect for them. They end up going to the Disneyland Hotel, guys, for their prom. They said they had a good time. They looked it real good. Everybody had a wonderful time. Family members made some bomb food, y'all. I don't even think I got the food. I don't even think I get to show y'all the food because we was doing so much. But look at them. They fixing them. They looking like, can we just go already? But you know, we want our pictures. So we gonna snap up and everything. So I just put out what I got, the little footage I got. It was a lot more footage. Maybe I'll do a part 3 on it because I did the part 1 of us going downtown finding a suit, and we end up buying 2 suits, an all white one, because at first she wanted a white suit, but it wasn't hitting like that. So, you know, I found Mr. Classic Man suit and it came out nice. That suit was like $300, y'all. I mean, this prom, I promise you, like they be saying, it's like a wedding. Ain't no joke. Spending money on all of this stuff. Oh yeah, we broke bread. I broke bread, her mama broke bread. My cousins and them broke bread. We did a lot to make sure their night was special, but you know, it was, and they had a good time. So next, you know, they just still taking the pictures in front of the car and styling them, profiling them. Everybody, I know they looking like, let's go, but they appreciate it, and I hope y'all was entertained by this video.
You must look at her like. I'm sure the front they have 5 minutes.
Man, I remember Adam
Ready to go?
Baby, sweet nigga, you about to go lay down the road.
Oh, yeah, they go to front. He's so ready to go.
Shut up!
What you gonna do? You know what?
Okay, right here, guys, we still flicking it up. You know, the gang has to get up involved up in there. The family has to come snap it up. You know how we do it. We take pictures too. We can't take no pictures no more. So that's what we doing. Everybody hopping in. We taking pictures. They enjoying themselves, happy and stuff. A lot of people, I didn't get a lot of pictures, get to put a lot of pictures up in here. But like I said, I might do a part 3 and put the others like, videos and pictures up in there. But y'all, I hope y'all like it. This is coming to the end. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we appreciate y'all. Sorry it took so long. And thank y'all. We up to 600 subscribers. Let's go. I promise you, for the next 2 months, I'll be to 1,000. I'm on a grind, y'all. No stopping.
Oh, you right about that. All right, son. All right, y'all.
It's over with. Let me let you know.
Makai. Y'all have a good time.
Just in case.
That's
crazy in this film. I see you, champion.
All right, y'all. Y'all look good.
I got cash app. Why you recording?
Do I got cash? You need money on Cash App?
No, I need money on cash.
No, I ain't got no cash on me. I got money on Cash App. What you got on you?
I only got, what? I just clicked on the bill. I got like
16?
Yeah,
okay, but okay. All right. All right. Oh, well, shoot. Well, this, I don't even, you know, we got money on here. Hey, y'all enjoy yourself. Y'all look good. She look good. Ooh, her hands. Hi.
I have kind of tearing up in there. You know that professional. I drove about 3 of them. And guess what? I don't want.
about to eat and drink. You know how we do. We got to eat and drink. We've been waiting all day for this to come up out of there. Shoot. Got to eat and drink. Ooh, cup. Is her nose on it? Yeah, put cover that arm up. Yes.
There's nothing but. This is for pecan. This is a bomb pop.
So how y'all think it went?
Good.
He is looking good. You ready for your prom? Huh? You ready for your prom? How y'all think it went? It was good. It looked good. One speaker. Wait, that speaker. Go put it in the car, okay?
I don't know